So in just a few moments from now, we are going to see the Grand Parade, and this is a parade that will be watched world over. And of course, across the country as well, we will be watching with patriotic pride. But let's also get you glimpses of how the Republic Day celebrations have been in the past years. The Prime Minister has, of course, made Republic Day the day to celebrate the culture of India. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha as well on the broadcast with us in the celebrations that are taking place in Maharashtra. Well, Rucha, all eyes are going to be on the parade that takes place in the national capital, but in different pockets of the country, we also see grand celebrations taking place. Take us through what's happening in Maharashtra.
Well, yes, even if everyone's eyes are on Kartavya Path, there are various locations in Maharashtra where Republic Day celebrations have begun. I am currently in Thane, where Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has just hosted flag, and currently he is addressing the Thanekars. And here, a unique thing we are seeing today is about today's celebration is the unity, because people from various parts of country have come here. The people from northeast, especially from Assam, Manipur, have been invited to be part of this ceremony, who have been relocated to Thane, Maharashtra. And this is what the power the constitution gives. And if we talk about the parade here, very shortly the parade will begin, and there are various platoons that are already geared up for the parade, from Thane Rural Police, Thane City Police, Traffic Police, Fire Brigade, and Thane Medical Services, from women police officers. We are seeing all the officers here waiting for the parade now, and this is the kind of celebrations that we are seeing in Thane, Maharashtra, where Deputy Chief Minister is addressing the people. And he, while speaking, he said today is Prajasattak. In Marathi, it is said Prajasattak Din, the Ganatantra Divas. He said that Praja comes before the Satta, and that is the speciality of today. And how we are seeing here, people from various states have come together who live in Thane and are away from home. They are here and enjoying the Republic Day celebrations in Thane, Maharashtra.
Okay, all right, do stay with us. Let's also take a look at what can be expected in the parade today in the national capital. This is also a celebration of India's military might. And let's give you an exclusive look of what can be witnessed today in just a few moments from now.
Jack Lai, a name that resonates in Indian Army. Jack Lai, a legacy that goes on and on. The boys from Jammu and Kashmir ensures that they have the Indian tricolor flying high everywhere in Jammu and Kashmir. The 144 men of Jack Lai are here on Kartavya Path for the Kartavya Path on Republic Day. We are here with the contingent commanders as well, Captain Anand and Captain Vedant. Let's talk to them and understand what the mood is like. Sir, the Jack Lai is here to make the mark once again. How do you see this Kartavya Path parade, and what are the mood like?
This Kartavya parade is very new and unique because of the nature of the parade is combatized. We have shifted from a ceremonial parade to a combatized parade. And as of Jack Lai, we are preparing from the past 4 months for this parade. We have prepared in 2 months in our regimental centers in Srinagar, and the past 2 months we have been preparing in Delhi. And this parade, it's unique because this parade is constituting normal soldiers and Agniveers. And our drill instructors who have done this parade from the past 10 years, they have been giving their insights and their expertise. So we are very confident for our turnout in this parade.
Captain Vedant, as many say, Jack Lai soldiers sleep with AK-47 as their pillow. How's the Josh like on Kartavya Path?
Well, you have brought it out correctly that they sleep with an AK-47 coming from the valley and the hills of Jammu and Kashmir. They are mostly deployed over there, best in business over there, and the boys have worked really hard, and they have had sleepless nights for this, and the Josh is high among the contingent, and they'll do really well in the parade.
Bhairav, the new terminology that everyone is talking about. Bhairav, the one that has been trained to ensure that they go in and get whatever they aspire for. Bhairav, when they marched on the Army Day at the Mahal Road in Jaipur, everyone was in awe. With us on the screen is the Bhairav Battalion of the Sikh Line, and here the 144 men with the contingent commander for the first time on Republic Day would be marching, showcasing what the new improved infantry of Indian Army looks like. Let's talk to the contingent commander and try and understand for our viewers what exactly Bhairav means. Thank you, sir, for joining us on Times Now. If you can tell us what exactly is the idea behind Bhairav?
Idea of raising Bhairav is to deliver in a very short time frame such an impact onto the enemy that his capability of taking quick decisions and his capability of taking swift decision in reacting, that is being disrupted. So that is the main purpose, to in a short time frame to give such a shock effect onto it that he is not capable of moving further or taking those swift decisions in time.
Sir, एक senior officer से बात हुई थी and he told me that Bhairav जाते नहीं हैं, बरसते हैं. So what is the training like कि Bhairav बरसते हैं?
Training is, I would say, if you have already said it कि Bhairav बरसते हैं, तो if you want us that we burso onto our enemy, then training is up to the highest level and the most difficult level that can be provided and that can be done. So we have been trained in such a way that Bhairav गरजेंगे नहीं बरसेंगे.
So let's get in some live action as well taking place. We showed you these reports. A lot of preparation has gone into these parades as well. And Shivam, in just moments from now is when we are going to see it in action. We have the glimpses of what we've seen. And it is a very compelling representation of all that India really stands for.
Exactly, Pratibha. And talking about the Republic Day parade and the rituals around it, when we were, a little kid, our ritual used to we used to wake up early in the morning, glued to the TV screens, waiting for that iconic moments to come in. And I am being joined by certain other similar people who once used to watch it on television, but now they are currently near Kartavya Path and they going to witness all these things. So please tell us what's your name and where are you from?
Hello, my name is Ilma and I'm working with an airline. So आज मैं बहुत excited हूँ क्योंकि बचपन से ही मैं रोज सुबह उठकर रिपब्लिक डे वाले दिन टीवी पर चैनल में देखती थी और आज मैं ये सारी चीजें लाइव देख रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं दिल्ली में रहने का मुझे मौका मिला है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मैं इस चीज का हिस्सा बनी हूँ.
Can you please tell me what's your memory of Republic Day? पहले जो होती थी and now finally you are here near Central Delhi. You're witnessing this entire, जो energy यहाँ पर है. How does it feel to you also?
Actually, my name is Megha and I'm from Bareilly. So पहले क्या होता था हम स्कूल में मार्च पास्ट करते थे every Republic Day and Independence Day, and now I'm here and it is live. I'm going to watch every all forces marching in this this area, and then we are very excited and let's see. I am very fond of watching air shows, so this is the first time I'll show see live.
So it's going to be a lifetime moment for both of us, and it is going to be a lifetime moment for a lot of people, who are currently present at the Kartavya Path and who are around as well. And this is the kind of energy that we see with the people who are here as well. We are seeing since morning, since 4 in the morning, it was a very cool morning, 5 degrees Celsius in the environment. The mercury was dipping, but again, the enthusiasm is something that is not dipping because they are eagerly waiting for the parade to start, for the rituals to start, and finally to see the might of India and also the vision of India in terms of technological development and scientific development as well. So just in a few moments from now, we all will witness again a 77th Republic Day parade, the air show, the brigadier crossing by, the tri-service tableau signifying Operation Sindoor, because again this is the first Republic Day after Operation Sindoor. So a separate tableau signifying Operation Sindoor, celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram. So from a rich legacy to a great potential, this Republic Day parade has everything aligned for the viewers who are going to watch it in just few moments from now.
Okay, all right.